Join me as I put the brand new GoPro Hero 14 to the test and see if those insane new features really live up to the hype. The GoPro Hero 14 has finally been released, and it's causing quite a buzz in the action camera market. This latest model promises to take your adventure footage to the next level with some seriously impressive upgrades. One of the biggest pain points for action camera users has always been battery life. We've all been there in the middle of an epic adventure, and our camera dies on us. The Hero 14 aims to tackle this problem head-on with some significant improvements under the hood. Another challenge users face is getting that perfect shot, especially in tricky lighting conditions. The Hero 14's new sensor is supposed to handle low light like a champ, giving you more flexibility when shooting in various environments. And let's not forget about durability. Action cameras are meant to withstand rough conditions, and GoPro's been working hard to make the Hero 14 more rugged than ever. The Hero 14 boasts some amazing advancements in video quality. With its new sensor and improved lens, you can expect even more stunning footage, whether you're shooting in 4K or trying out the new slow-motion features. The stabilization on the Hero 14 has also gotten a major boost. GoPro's hyper-smooth tech has been upgraded, promising even smoother footage, even when you're riding rough terrain or skiing down a mountain. The user interface has seen some tweaks too, making it easier to navigate and find the settings you need on the fly. But what really caught my eye is the new feature called Live Streaming 2.0. Imagine being able to live stream your adventures in 4K, directly from your Hero 14 to your favorite platforms. It's like having a mini production studio right in your hands. The possibilities with this feature are endless. Think live surfing competitions, hiking excursions, or even just a day at the beach. And with the Hero 14's enhanced connectivity, you can easily share your streams with friends and family in real time. The Hero 14's Live Streaming 2.0 feature also allows for more interactive experiences. You can take your viewers along on your adventures like never before. In a nutshell, the GoPro Hero 14 is packed with game-changing features that are sure to take your adventure footage to new heights. From improved video quality and stabilization to that revolutionary live streaming capability, there's a lot to be excited about. So, what do you think? Which feature of the Hero 14 gets you most stoked? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates.